NTRUHS.com.
Hi students, welcome to WhichChem YouTube channel. In this video we are going to know about the complete differences this year, the All India quota counseling for the NEET UG. There are 5 differences. That all 5 differences I am going to explain you. So start the video with the like and motivate me to give you further information. And already you are all aware that today onwards registration is going to start. So about that also I am going to give you the complete details. So stay with me and don't skip this video, and after completion of this video join my exclusive telegram group for the NEET counseling, and also share our channel to your friends. And let's start with the content. So NEET UG counseling 2020 and 2021, there are 5 differences. In the 2020, there were only 2 rounds of AAQ counseling, AAQ1 and AAQ2. Whatever the seats left over after the AAQ2 will be reverted back to the states. That is 15% seats, whatever the leftover out of that was reverted back to the state. Now that will not take place. MCC will conduct all the 4 rounds: AAQ1, AAQ2, mop-up round and stray vacancy round. This is the first and major change you are going to see in the this one, the 2021 UG counseling. Second one is NRI, Muslim minority and Jain minority seats last year till the last year were reverted to the deemed university after completion of the mop-up round for the conduction of stray vacancy by the deemed universities. So now that will be converted this year. Those seats will be converted, and eligible NRI, Muslim, Jain minority candidates during the mop-up round before reverting it back to the deemed universities. So that means non-NRIs, non-Muslim minority also will be eligible. All Indian citizens will be eligible for that. Now reservation policy, all are aware already. SC 15%, ST 7.5%, OBC, for which we got a lot of delayed in the counseling, 27%, EWS, this is also one of the major reason, 10%, PWD 5%. And fourth major change, it is also one of the good idea I think. So BSc nursing was conducted by the individual states only, but now onwards BSc nursing will be conducted by the MCC only, but it is restricted for the only 8 central institutions, that is AIMS. Okay, and next one is offline stray vacancy was conducted last year. People used to go to the Delhi for the stray vacancy round and pay the fee then and there, but now onwards this online stray vacancy round will be conducted. So these are the 5 major differences, and I think all of you understood. Still, if you got any type of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and share this video to your friends and join my telegram group. If till now you are not like, just like it. Thank you, bye bye, see you with the next update.